they say yes to the invitation of our Heavenly Father to be a missionary of lifestyles, to be an ambassador of lifestyles, to be a global marketing director. They're like a bridge. Imagine niyo na ito ay tulay, no? Part sila ng tulay, part sila ng bridge, no? Yung parang yung mga tabla. Imagine niyo ibig sabihin? Sa likod? They are all part of bridge. Maraming kabataan ang naliligaw ng landas. The millennials, the Gen Zs here are just few among the 96% na nasa labas. If we, the GMDs here right now, will not continue to say yes, to hold this mission, na pwedeng lulugo-lugo ka, tatamad-tamad ka, konting issue, papatulan, konting conflict, papatulan, nagka-problema sa pamilya, affected na organization, affected na yung trabaho niya. What about these downlines na napasign up nyo? Cherry Angie, please, back. Atras, Tagalog na lang. Hindi po lahat si Ma'am Angie lang. Ma'am Angie lang. Ma'am Peng dito, Ma'am Tim dito. Ma'am Doreen sa likod. Okay. Sir June sa likod.